that's the final product. Hello guys, and welcome back. It is Vinny. In today's video we're going to be installing some new fog lights and also tinting them yellow. Thinking about tinting my daylight running lights black, like blacken them out and make it look a little better. But yeah, let's take a look at the fog lights. Got these ones here off of Amazon. They will be in the link in the description if you guys want to check them out. They're originally for Jeeps, but the mounting screws looked about the same, so we're going to try to use these. Also, this is the tint I'm going to be using. It's like just a yellow tint on the fog lights, and then this is the tint for the daytime running lights.
You're fucking them off. I will get ready for work.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Now I'm ready for my hands to get dirty, even more. Alright, after that little intermission, we ran out of storage on the big boy camera. So we found out they do work. We're going to go ahead and take them off. We're going to tint them. I don't know how many layers of tint I'm going to do, but we're going to tint them yellow. And then we're also going to take out the housing for the daylight running. I did start it. And then we're going to tint those black. So yeah, let's get those out. Get them out. This is how good I'm getting it so far, and honestly, for my first time, fuck it. This one goes on your side, this one goes on my side, and we got one each. So, after all this fucking time, this tint fucking sucks. Look at that shit. Fucking horrible. We did good on these. Like, I'm actually happy with these. These are okay. We did those first so we didn't fuck up, but this tint just doesn't want to stick. So don't buy cheap tint. This was like 10 bucks on Amazon. Don't get it. But it's my first time doing it, so we're going to finish it because we already spent all this time. And we'll just put it in like this because you can't really see it from afar. And that's how far we're taking pictures, okay? So... Okay, let's hook them up, make sure they work, and then put the bumper back on. I want to see your first impression. You see headlights?
They look good. They look so dope.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they look cool.
Oh yeah, that looks pretty sick. Woo, baby. And we thought we were gonna get to anything else today. Hold it right there. Okay, go. Okay. That's the final product. Got the fog lights in, got the tinted daylight, and got the bracket for the bumper all in today. This side is still not. That one's not wanting to stay yet, but I think I am gonna end up getting the bumper like quick release fucking things, just so it'll stay better. But this is it.